Dear customer, once again welcome to Balaji Designers. Right now I'm gonna show you the bridal heavy lehenga done for one of our clients for her reception day. You can see it's a rich magenta pinkish violet color with heavy zardozi work all over the flare. The total lehenga flare is around of 12 meters, so you can just see the work finishing taking you to the close up. The heavy bootas, the richness, the work is all over the lehenga. Small big bootas all round. The total lehenga is with the net flare and the round cut. So coming to the blouse part, you can just see the zardozi work done heavy on it. This is our work finishing done off of one of our clients for her reception day. Total lehenga stitching, designer flare, and the net, total net is with heavy border and the full booties and the double 2D dye net to match the grand day reception. So you can just see the altogether look of lehenga. Total heavy maggam work, tailoring work, stitching, everything done by us. Full can loaded lehenga. You can just see the finishing of work. Pure zardozi work. This is on cups. The neatness, the rich look, the grand heavy concept. So got any kind of wedding function or reception, do visit our store Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. This is a back view of lehenga blouse. You can just see the finishing, the neatness, the grandness of all over work finishing. So dear customer, got any kind of function, please do visit our store Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. Thank you. Dear customer, once again welcome to Balaji Designers. Right now I'm gonna show you the heavy work blouse done for one of our clients. So మీరు చూడొచ్చు రెడ్ హెవీ మిర్చి రెడ్ రా సిల్క్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, దానిపైన టోటల్ వర్క్ is done in the combination of golden and silver together mixed. So you can see pure zardozi work, the neatness and the finishing of the zardozi engraved with the Swarovski and beads and sequences. And booty lo వచ్చేసి మొత్తం challa work, the challa booties, the rich, the neat heavy work done for one of our clients who got wedding at their place. And the dual pipe in, the silver and gold color pipe in. This is the back. You can see the finishing and the neatness of the work. So got any kind of function or wedding at your place, do visit Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. Because maggam work చేసే వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు, but maintaining this kind of finishing, the neatness and the style is only at our store, since our store is located at Dilshuk Nagar and we have the drop and pickup service also. So got any kind of function at your place, please do visit our store Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. Thank you. Customer, once again welcome to Balaji Designers. So every time మేము అందరం వచ్చేసి మీకు మగ్గం వర్క్ బ్లౌజ్ ఉన్న, డిజైనర్ బ్లౌజ్ ఉన్న అలాంటివి చూపిస్తాం. సో దిస్ టైమ్ వీ గోనా షో యూ ద అవుట్ఫిట్ డిజైన్ ఫర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ గ్రూమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ మహబూబ్ నగర్. మీరు వచ్చేసి ఫినిషింగ్ చూడొచ్చు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద దుపట్టా and this is the rich sherwani done for him. So rich zardozi work, meer work finishing, neatness, the collar work and buttons, pure raw silk fabric. See the finishing and neatness of the work done. ఇది వచ్చేసి పైన దుపట్టా, మీరు దుపట్టా ఫినిషింగ్ చూడొచ్చు ఎలా ఉంది. టోటలీ డిజైన్డ్ బై అస్. మొత్తం మగ్గం వర్క్ వచ్చేసి, టైలరింగ్ వచ్చేసి. సో డియర్ కస్టమర్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ లేడీస్ బట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్సో ఫేమస్ ఫర్ designing the rich outfits for the groom. So got any function, please do visit our store Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. Taking you to the close up of the work. And the work చేస్తారు but ఆ finishing neatness రాదు. But have a look. See this guys. See the finishing, neatness, the look, the concept. So got any kind of function at your place, got wedding, please do visit our store Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar. This outfit gonna have a proper pancha dhoti and pagdi and shoes, totally designed according to the outfit. So idi close up మీకు చూపిస్తున్నా. This is the neatness of the sherwani for the groom on his main important day. So customer, just make a visit to our store. Thank you all. Dear customer, once again welcome to Balaji Designers. Right now we're gonna show you the rich sherwani done for our clients from Mehboob Nagar. So మీరందరూ చూడొచ్చు sherwani heavy rich bride groom sherwani. So total work is in pure Zardozi work. See the finishing and the neatness of the work done on raw silk 100 grams. The heavy collar, the rich button, the total heavy shoulder work and the hands work. See the finishing, the neatness, the color concept, and the styling is taken according to the bride sari. So ఈ మొత్తం సెట్కి వచ్చేసి మీకు ధోతి, దుపట్టా, పగడి, షూస్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ gonna you have a proper groom set heavily done by us at Balaji Designer, Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. So dear customer, looking for something stylish and new, please do visit our store Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. Not only that, but we give you the finest finishing and neatness with perfect body fit outfit. Usually మీరు మార్కెట్లో ఎక్కడ కొన్నా మీకు ఫిట్టింగ్స్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉండవు, బట్ వీ మేక్ షూర్ వీ గివ్ అ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫిట్టింగ్ ఫర్ అవర్ క్లయింట్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద షేప్ అండ్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ఓన్. So dear customer, visit our store Balaji Designers at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad.